Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with Face ID not being available or unable to activate Face ID on your iPhone running iOS 16, then we have some troubleshooting steps. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on Accessibility and inside Accessibility tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then inside Face ID and Passcode, tap on Require Attention for Face ID, toggle on and off. Then simply tap on OK. Then you will have to enter your iPhone passcode here. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap on the Done option. Then turn it on again. And you'll have to enter your passcode again. Enter it. Then simply go back to the settings again. And inside the settings, tap on the General. Then tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset settings. You will have to enter your mobile passcode to continue the reset. After reset, simply go back to the settings again and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then inside Face ID and passcode, toggle on and off every switches available there or every options available there. What happens is sometime it can resolve minor software glitches as well. Then simply enter your sign in with Apple ID, enter your passcode here and tap on the OK option available there. After you do that, simply scroll down till you find Reset Face ID option available there. After you tap on the Reset Face ID option, your Face ID will be reset. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.